Welcome to Clever Mum. Lattes are one of the most beloved coffee drinks around the world. Creamy, comforting, and just the right mix of espresso and steamed milk. In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of making a professional quality latte at home. Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking to master the art of a homemade latte, this step-by-step guide has you covered. Why make lattes at home, you ask? Well, there are several reasons. Firstly, it's incredibly budget-friendly. Those daily cafe visits can really add up, and by making lattes yourself, you'll save money without sacrificing quality. Plus, when you make coffee at home, you have complete control over every element, from the type of coffee beans used to the flavor and sweetness levels. You can tweak and adjust until your latte tastes just right for you. But it's not just about saving money or tailoring your drink. The process itself can be therapeutic. There's something quite satisfying about crafting that perfect cup, especially first thing in the morning. Imagine starting your day with not just any coffee, but a latte you made with your own hands. And let's not forget the convenience. No more standing in endless lines at your local coffee shop, morning after morning, or dealing with the occasional wrong order. Once you master this skill, you'll find it's easier and faster to whip up your own beverage right in your kitchen. Better yet, you can create lattes that cater to your unique style and preferences. Do you prefer plant-based milk? Perfect! With options like almond, oat, or soy milk, you can make lattes that align with your dietary preferences and still taste amazing. If you love a touch of extra sweetness, you can adjust that too, whether it's a hint of honey or a splash of vanilla syrup. And don't forget seasonal creations. Pumpkin spice latte in the fall, peppermint mocha in the winter. Your creativity has no limits. Making lattes at home also opens up a door to understanding more about coffee itself. It's a chance to explore, expand, and maybe, just maybe, impress someone with your newfound barista-level skill. With just a little bit of practice and a few straightforward tools, you'll be amazed at how professional your lattes will look and taste. So stick with us as we unveil all the tips, tricks, and techniques to get you started on your latte-making journey. It's simpler than you might think, and the rewards are undeniable. By the end of this video, you'll wonder why you didn't start experimenting with homemade lattes sooner. Let's jump in. Now that you've walked through the steps of making a latte, from brewing the espresso to frothing the milk and topping it off with a creative flair, it's time to put your newfound skills to the test. Remember, you don't need fancy equipment or prior experience to start making lattes at home. All it takes is a little practice and experimentation. We want to hear from you. What's the first flavor twist you're excited to try for your latte? Is it something indulgent like mocha caramel, or are you thinking of a warm and cozy vanilla honey combination? Maybe you're feeling adventurous and want to create your own unique blend. Whatever idea comes to mind, share it in the comments below. Let's inspire each other and exchange fun recipes. And don't forget, we love seeing your creations. If you've made a latte using any of the tips in this video, snap a photo and tag us on social media at Clever Mum. We can't wait to see your frothy masterpieces and hear about your at-home barista journey. If you found this video helpful, let us know by liking the video and subscribing to Clever Mum for more easy, practical guides and tips just like this. Cheers to making delicious personalized lattes in the comfort of your home. See you in the next video.